In this module, we will learn how to properly and efficiently add spacing to your Word document using the Styles tool. Prior to starting this module, please download the document titled Unremediated Accessibility Quick Start Guide Spacing. For heading 1 spacing, from the View option on the ribbon, select Print Layout. From the Home option on the ribbon, select the Styles pane. Highlight the H1 in the document, Accessibility Quick Start Guide. From the Styles tool, select Heading 1, then select Modify. Select Format, and then select Paragraph. Select Centered in the Alignment field. Select 18 in the After field, then select OK. For Heading 2 spacing, from the Styles tool, select Heading 2, then select Modify. Select Format, then select Paragraph. Then change the before value to 12 point. Then select OK. For Heading 3 spacing, from the Styles tool, select Heading 3, then select Modify. Select Format, then select Paragraph. Change the before point and after values to 6 point. Then select OK. Your headings are now properly spaced.